Shalom, welcome to the Baggchain podcast. I'm Aaron Halevy.
And I'm Rachel Huber. Today we're giving you a crypto tip.
However, disclaimer, we are not financial advisors.
Like, not at all. This isn't financial advice. That said, it's our opinion that if you bought Polkadot today, life would be awesome for you this month.
Pretty much.
This is a quick bag. Easy money. Gotta spend money to make money. But what you spend is super likely to grow this month. You might even double whatever you put in, honestly.
Right, remember, it's not a financial advice video. It's just an instructional video, really. We're going to give broad instructions on how this would be done if you wanted to do it. Next, we're going to explain why it makes sense to do it. Then we're going to double back and break down some of the steps in our instructions for those who are actually trying to do it, but are new to crypto.
Yep. The whole instructional part assumes you're brand new to crypto, so if you're not new to crypto, skip to the third chapter of the video. That's where we explain why buying Polkadot before September, or at least as early in September as possible, would be awesome. Spoiler alert, this is a trip to Spain, and we're gonna run with the bulls for those who know what that means. You're welcome to join. And dude, make sure you subscribe. I feel like this video is just too worth it. We're leading you to the bag by the hand, guys, come on.
Right now, though, we need to explain why this is a good time for DOT buyers. When we chart DOT's price movement going back to December 2023, the resistance line across the top of the candles slopes downward, and the support line beneath them does too. However, the support line declines much less sharply than the resistance line does, so they end up converging. For those who aren't familiar with why it matters, this is a falling wedge pattern, which is a long-term bearish progression known to signal bullish reversal. It's usually not even noticeable until it's complete, so the fact that we can even show it to you on the chart proves our point on its own.
But wait, there's more. You're supposed to be able to confirm a falling wedge by tracking a steady decrease in volume, and yeah, volume's been decreasing for sure. Plus, the low points kept getting lower and lower the whole way, which is what's supposed to happen. How you know it's over is the lows for July up till now. The lowest point from Independence Day got tested on August 2nd, but the low point on August 2nd stopped short of reaching the low from 4th of July, which confirms the trend reversal. Right now, we're in the consolidation phase, and volatility is low like it should be. We're hovering around the $5.10 price level. We're predicting it's about to climb by more than twice that, like by about $5.65. So the target selling point would be somewhere in the upper $10 price level. That's based on measuring the mouth of the wedge Aaron was talking about.
Yeah, so if you bought now when the price is half that, you'd double your money.
So for those who are new to this, why are we using Binance for this?
Fair question, because you certainly don't have to. Trading crypto comes with a lot of fees, and in general, Binance has lower fees compared to competitors. Plus, we're trading Polkadot, and Binance carries the largest volume of that coin day to day. Binance carrying more than other exchanges means we should see all trends manifest the way they're supposed to there. The same could be said of HTX, where you see almost equal volume, but you usually incur larger transaction fees unless you're a legacy HTX trader.
Yeah, so for those of you wondering what Binance and HTX are, these are exchange platforms. You use these platforms to do all your crypto trading, and there are many other platforms to choose from too, but you might as well deal with Binance in this case. You can download the app. It's easy to find in the App Store because it's popular. When you make an account, you gotta verify your identity. So first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, email, social security number, and I know that last one is scary. Don't worry, there's no credit check and the platform is safe. You'll have to take a picture of your passport or driver's license, and you'll have to take a picture of your face so they know it's really you.
All that has to be done before you can do anything else on Binance. And last summer, Binance-US became a crypto-to-crypto exchange, which means no fiat currencies. In other words, we can't use real dollars on the exchange, which is why you have to convert to crypto on the way in. That's why the first transaction you make has to be a top-up. You're converting dollars to Tether. Tether is pegged to the dollar, so its value is always roughly the same as that of the dollar. It's actually backed by a whole reserve to more or less guarantee the one-to-one exchange rate with the US dollar. By using dollars to buy Tether, you're converting your money into crypto. From there, you can convert to Polkadot.
Yeah, so what you want to beware of is that some banks don't like the DeFi ecosystem. So when you get to the part where you're using your debit card on Transact, the transaction might fail even though you know for sure you have enough funds to cover it. That's probably your bank trying to protect you because they're either anti-DeFi or just wary of the fact that this is an abnormal transaction for you.
DeFi means decentralized finance, by the way.
If that happens, then you need to take a different route to getting your money into the exchange.
So, yeah, I would recommend getting a Bitcoin wallet and purchasing Bitcoin elsewhere. Then you can wire the Bitcoin into your Binance wallet, which you'll have automatically after setting up an account. We're going to do a separate video to break down this method.
Yeah, it's our very next video.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
Well, there you go. All right, hit subscribe, thumb up the ass, ring the bell. We deserve it. Next time.
Later.